Did you know that a simple spice sitting in your kitchen could transform your health in just 7 days? That spice is clove. And when you drink just 1 cup of clove water every day, your body starts experiencing some incredible changes. From boosting immunity and improving digestion to clearer skin, this little spice has some big benefits. Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll share the top 10 health benefits of drinking clove water daily, plus a bonus tip you won't want to miss. Now, let's talk about why cloves are so powerful. Cloves aren't just for flavoring your food. They're packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. What really makes them special is a compound called Eugenol, which has been shown in several studies to have anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, and even pain-relieving effects. In fact, research published in the Journal of Natural Medicine highlights how Eugenol can protect the body against oxidative stress and support overall health. When you soak cloves in water, these compounds infuse into the drink, creating a natural health tonic. And here's the exciting part. If you drink clove water consistently for 7 days, you may start noticing real changes in how your body feels. Let's break down the 10 amazing benefits you can get from this simple daily habit. Benefit number 1, boosts immunity. One of the first things you'll notice when drinking clove water regularly is a stronger immune system. Cloves are loaded with antioxidants, which help your body fight off free radicals, the unstable molecules that can damage cells and weaken immunity. According to a study in the Journal of Immunotoxicology, cloves are among the richest dietary sources of antioxidants. This means they act almost like a natural shield, protecting your body against colds, infections, and even chronic illnesses linked to oxidative stress. Just 1 cup of clove water a day can give your body that extra defense it needs, especially during flu season. Benefit number 2, improves digestion. Clove water is also a natural remedy for common digestive problems. If you struggle with bloating, gas, or indigestion after meals, cloves can help. They contain compounds that stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, making it easier for your body to break down food and absorb nutrients. Research published in the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine found that clove extract helps relax the gastrointestinal lining and reduces discomfort from indigestion. Drinking clove water before or after meals can calm your stomach, prevent excess gas, and even reduce nausea. So, if your gut often feels sluggish, this simple drink could make a big difference. Benefit number 3, freshens breath and supports oral health. Clove water is also fantastic for your mouth and gums. Thanks to its strong antibacterial properties, it helps kill the bacteria that cause bad breath, plaque, and gum infections. That's actually why clove oil has been used for centuries in traditional dentistry. In fact, research published in the Journal of Dentistry shows that Eugenol, the active compound in cloves, has natural analgesic and antibacterial effects, making it effective against oral pathogens. Drinking clove water can freshen your breath, reduce harmful bacteria, and even soothe minor tooth or gum pain. Think of it as a gentle, natural mouthwash you can sip daily. Benefit number 4, supports liver health. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, and clove water can give it some much-needed support. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in cloves, particularly Eugenol, help protect the liver from oxidative damage and improve its overall function. A study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that clove extract helped reduce signs of liver inflammation and improved detox activity in test subjects. By drinking clove water regularly, you may help your liver flush out toxins more efficiently while protecting it from damage caused by processed foods, alcohol, or environmental stress. A healthier liver means better energy, clearer skin, and improved overall well-being. Benefit number 5, regulates blood sugar. Another amazing benefit of drinking clove water is its potential to help regulate blood sugar levels. Cloves contain compounds that can improve how your body produces and uses insulin, the hormone responsible for controlling glucose. A study published in the Journal of Natural Medicines found that clove extract helped lower blood sugar spikes and improved insulin sensitivity in test subjects. This makes clove water especially beneficial for people managing type 2 diabetes or anyone trying to keep their energy levels stable throughout the day. By drinking just 1 cup daily, You may notice fewer sugar crashes and better overall energy balance. Before we continue, I want to hear from you. Are you already a fan of cloves? Let me know in the comments below. Benefit number 6. Reduces inflammation and joint pain. Cloves are also well known for their powerful anti-inflammatory properties. The eugenol in cloves acts almost like a natural pain reliever, reducing swelling and soothing discomfort in the body. Research in the Journal of Immunopharmacology highlighted how clove compounds can block inflammatory pathways, making them effective against conditions like arthritis, sore muscles, and general joint pain. Drinking clove water regularly can ease stiffness, reduce inflammation, and help you move more comfortably. It's a natural way to support your joints without relying on constant painkillers. Benefit number 7. Improves respiratory health. If you often deal with coughs, sore throats, or congestion, clove water can be a natural remedy worth trying. Cloves have strong antimicrobial and expectorant properties, which means they can help clear mucus from your airways while fighting off the bacteria or viruses that cause respiratory infections. Traditional medicine has long used cloves for relieving asthma and bronchitis symptoms. Modern research, published in the International Journal of Pharmaceutical Sciences Review and Research, confirms that clove extracts have soothing effects on the respiratory system and can reduce throat irritation. Drinking warm clove water can calm a stubborn cough, ease throat pain, and help you breathe a little easier. Benefit number 8. Enhances skin health. Clove water doesn't just work on the inside, it also benefits your skin. Because cloves are packed with antioxidants, they help fight free radicals that can cause premature aging, dullness, and acne breakouts. Eugenol, the key compound in cloves, also has antibacterial properties that may reduce acne-causing bacteria on the skin. A study in the Journal of Natural Products noted that clove extract has strong antimicrobial activity, which supports clearer, healthier skin. Over time, drinking clove water daily may lead to fewer breakouts, a natural glow, and a more even skin tone. Think of it as a simple detox drink that works from within to enhance your complexion. Benefit number 9. Boosts energy and reduces fatigue. Feeling sluggish or low on energy? Clove water might help. Cloves improve blood circulation, which means more oxygen and nutrients reach your cells, helping you feel more alert and energized. They also stimulate metabolism, giving your body a natural energy lift without the crash you'd get from caffeine or sugar. A study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology found that clove extract improved physical performance and reduced fatigue in test subjects, likely due to its ability to increase antioxidant activity and reduce oxidative stress. Drinking clove water first thing in the morning can set the tone for a more energetic, productive day. Benefit number 10. Aids weight management. Clove water can also play a role in weight management. Because cloves boost metabolism, they help your body burn calories more efficiently. At the same time, they have appetite-suppressing properties that may reduce unnecessary snacking. Research in the Journal of Food Biochemistry suggested that cloves can help regulate lipid metabolism, meaning they may reduce fat accumulation in the body. Combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, drinking clove water daily could support your weight loss journey by helping you feel lighter, gain more control over your appetite, and feel more energetic for workouts. Before we move on, here's a quick pro tip to get the absolute best results from clove water. Drink it first thing in the morning on an empty stomach. Why? Because that's when your body absorbs nutrients most efficiently. Starting your day with clove water allows the antioxidants and active compounds, like eugenol, to get straight to work, boosting your digestion, metabolism, and immunity before you've even had breakfast. If you prefer, you can also enjoy a warm cup before bedtime to help soothe digestion and relax your body overnight. Just be careful not to make it too strong, since cloves are very potent and a little goes a long way. Think of clove water as a gentle daily ritual, like resetting your system every morning. How to make clove water. Now that you know the benefits, let's talk about how to actually make clove water. It's incredibly simple. The easiest method is to take 4 to 5 whole cloves and soak them in a cup of water overnight. By morning, The water will be infused with the active compounds, and all you have to do is strain it and drink it on an empty stomach. This version is mild, easy to prepare, and gentle on the digestive system. If you prefer a stronger flavor or want more potent effects, you can try the boiling method. Just add 4 to 5 cloves to a cup of water, bring it to a gentle boil for about 5 minutes, then let it cool slightly before drinking. Boiling helps release more of the cloves oils and active compounds, giving you a richer, more concentrated drink. You can even add a touch of honey or lemon to balance the strong taste. Either way, both methods deliver the same powerful health benefits. You just choose the one that suits your preferences best. Precautions. Before you start adding clove water to your daily routine, it's important to remember a few precautions. Cloves are very potent, and too much can actually cause mouth irritation or digestive upset. Stick to about 4 or 5 cloves a day. More isn't always better. Also, if you're pregnant, breastfeeding, or currently taking medication for conditions like diabetes, blood pressure, or liver issues, make sure to consult your doctor before trying clove water. While it's natural, cloves are powerful and can sometimes interact with medications or affect sensitive conditions. Always listen to your body and practice moderation. So there you have it, the top 10 health benefits of drinking clove water every day for just 7 days, plus a simple recipe and some important precautions to keep in mind. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with someone who loves natural remedies. And here's my challenge to you. Try drinking clove water for 7 days and let us know your results in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your experience. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.